Dispatch, Greenwood Command, 360 complete. We've got a 3-story low-rise building with a basement. Report of heavy smoke in the basement. Low-rise dog in effect, engine 35. So the attack line with engine 31. Ladder 5 from Greenwood Command.
Engine 24, full response, 115-34 Greenwood Avenue North.
Engine 24, 115-34 Greenwood Avenue North.
This will be for heavy smoke in the basement. Engine 31 is command.
Engine 24 is on a hydrant at 117th and Greenwood Avenue North.
Dispatch, Greenwood Command. I report of a tap fire confined to a wash machine. Screen all units except for the 2, 1, and 1.